Hi friends, here we are given a triangle ABC and we are given certain dimensions also. Right, we are given BC is equal to 12, DB is equal to 9, DB is equal to 9, D is some point on AB, right, and CD is equal to 6. And angle BCD is equal to angle BAC. Right. Then what is the ratio of perimeter of triangle ADC? ADC to that of BDC and BDC. Now, in this kind of problems, when there is a triangle within a triangle, and if you are given that some two angles are equal, we should find a way to see whether there are any similar triangles within the structure. Here we have got similar triangles. See, for example, this angle is equal to this angle, right? And at the same time, this angle is common, right? If you see this triangle BDC and triangle ABC, these two are actually similar triangles, right? Because BDC, BDC is like this, sorry, this is D, B, and C. Right. Now this angle is equal to this angle. Right. Or let's draw the original diagram first. Let's draw ABC. A B C. Let's follow the same structure. Right. This angle is equal to this angle. So let's put C here. Okay. Let's put C here. Some triangle. Right. Because angle A is equal to whatever this angle. Right. We are talking about BDC. Either B is here, B slash B, or B slash D. Right. Now this angle is B, which is common. So let's take this as B. And let's take, so if two angles are same, obviously the third angle same. Third angle will also be same because the total is 180 degrees. Right. So angle C, whatever this angle is equal to this angle. Right. Similarly, angle B is same. Angle B is same. So angle is B is same is in both cases. And angle D should be equal to angle C. Right. So this angle D should be equal to this entire angle. Right. So now that means angle this triangle ABC is actually similar to CBD. Right. CBD. CBD we need to. So in this diagram, if you just rotate it, then you will get like this, right? C, D, B. Right. B is to the right of D and D is to the right of C. But we have to flip this. We have to flip it like this so that it becomes CBD. CBD. Right. We have to flip it. Flip it in this axis or in this axis, whichever axis you can flip. Right. So this angle A is equal to this angle, which is this. This angle is BCD. BCD is equal to BAC, and angle B is actually angle B, and BCA is equal to BDC. Right, BDC. Now let's again in the new diagram, let's put what we have. BC is equal to 12. BC is 12 in both the cases. BC is 12 in both the cases. Then BD is 9. This is 9, right? And AB we don't know. AB is 9 plus something. We don't know. What is CD? CD is 6. CD is 6. What is AC? AC also we don't know. Right. Now we have got two similar triangles. So 9 by 12. 9 by 12 is BD by BC. BD by BC. Let's look at this. BD by BC, which is 9 by 12, is equal to DC by AC, which is this by this. That means 6 by AC, right? Which is 6 by AC, which is equal to BC by AB, right? The third side, BC by AB. That means 12 by AB, right? Equal to 12 by AB. 9 by 12 equal to 6 by AC equal to 12 by AB. If we solve this, AC equal to 12 into 6 by 9, which is 8 centimeters. Similarly, AB is equal to 12 into 12 by 9, which is 16. So we figured out AC is equal to 8, AC is equal to 8, and AB is equal to 16. So if AB is 16 and this is 9, what is BA? 16 minus 9, which is 7. Right. Now we are asked what is the perimeter of ADC. What is ADC? We figured out what is AC also. AC is 8. Right. So 7 plus 8 plus 6. Right. 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Right. 7 plus 8 plus 6. Versus what is the perimeter of BDC? BDC. 9 plus 6 plus 12. 9 plus 6 plus 12, which is equal to 21 is to 27, which is 7 is to 9. Right, this is such an easy problem. Just that we should recognize that there are similar triangles. Just by flipping one of this triangle, we are able to recognize. And in any triangles, when certain angles are equal, we should try to find a way if there are similar triangles. Thank you, guys.